You are welcome to provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x. This is equal to 50. So, what is the value of x? Now, you find that 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x, this is in the form of 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m, which you can express as 8 to the power n plus m. So applying this exponent property, this implies that this is 5 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 50. Now we have that 5 to the power, this is x plus x, and this is 2x. This is equal to 50. We can solve for the value of x here by introducing the natural logarithm on both sides, so that we'll have log 5 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 50. So log 5 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. The next step here, we have that log 5 to the power 2x, this applying this power rule property, this becomes 2x log 5. This is equal to log 50. Let's divide both sides by log 5 by log 5. Let's simplify here, so that here we have 2x, this is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. We can express 50 basically as 10 multiplied by 5. Let's substitute this, so that now here we have 2x, this is equal to log 50, which is 10 times 5 divided by log 5. So log 10 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this logarithm property, then it follows that we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 10 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. So let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so that we have 2x here. This is equal to log 10 divided by log 5 plus 1. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have 2x is equal to log 10 divided by log 5 plus 1. So this is 2x, this is equal to, we can express log 10 as basically log, this is the same thing as 5 times 2 divided by log 5 plus 1. Log 5 times 2, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5 plus 1. So that let's simplify here, we'll have 1. So that we have 2x, this is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 5 plus 1. So here we have 2x, this is equal to 1 plus 1, this is 2 plus log 2 divided by log 5. The next step here, you find that log 2 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this property, then it follows that here we'll have 2x, this is equal to 2 plus log 2 to base 5. Let's divide both sides by 2, so that now the value of x is equal to 1 plus half log 2 to base 5. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now, let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify that let's verify. Let's verify. Now, if you recall, we end that 5 to power x times 5 to power x. This should give us a value of 50. Now, 5 to power x times 5 to power x, this is in the form of 8 to power n times 8 to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n plus m. Okay, so applying this property, this is the same thing as 5 to power 2x. This is equal to 50. So let's substitute the value of x here. Now, by substituting the value of x here, this follows that we'll have 5 to power 2 times x. X here is 1 plus half log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now let's open the bracket here. We'll have 5 raised to power 2 times 1. This is 2 plus, now this is 2 times a half. This simplifies. So plus log 2 to base 5. This is equal to 50. So let's check if this is true. Now 5 to power 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n times 8 to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 5 to power 2 times 5 to power log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. In this case, we have that 5 to power 2. This is the same thing as 5 times 5, and this is equal to 25. So in this case, we have 25 multiplied by 5 to power log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now 5 to power log 2 to base 5, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m. This is equal to a. So that follows that 5 to power log 2 to base 5, this extension is supposed to give us a value of 2. Now, by substituting this, here we'll have 25 multiplied by these two. This should give us a value of 50. And 25 times 2, this is 50, which is equal to 50. And that implies that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that implies that the value of x, which is basically equal to 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.